Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to cancel a return from Amazon. And basically, like, let's just say you wanted to return something but then you change your mind like the next hour or two or whatever, and you want to just cancel it. I'll be showing you how to do it in this video, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is just go over to Google and just type in Amazon cancel return, and what you can just do is click on cancel a request for A to Z guaranteed refund, and these are the steps. So it says to cancel your return, whatever, go to your orders, go to your orders, locate the problem, select problem with order, withdraw request. However, if you do not see the cancel refund, or sorry, cancel return slash refund, whatever, on your app, what you can do is simply just go to just type in the Amazon customer support number. So Amazon customer support number, and you just give them a call and they will automatically do it for you. You just tell them what the item was. They'll ask you, oh, what was the reason for the return? So as long as you remember that, you should be good. But even if you don't, it's not that big of an issue. You just ask them, you just tell them, you chose the wrong location or whatever, whatever the issue might be, and they'll automatically fix it. And then they'll email you with the updated QR code or whatever print label. And yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to fix not able to see the cancel return. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.